This one is from Particular Paws. Again, maybe it's part of the giveaway. Oral care. Thank you, Particular Paws. So they still gave us a receipt, as you can see, $17, but the total is zero. It's $3.99 for Blake. Blake, this is for you so that you can kiss the neighbor's dog. Oral care. Give me some grandson, Blake. Alright, couple more stuff. This is from CMX Cinema. Ooh, I like this movie stuff. There's an Halloween prize pack in the garage. I forgot it, but I already post it on Facebook. So I haven't done any videos lately because we were so busy. We went to SoFi twice. One with the VIP, let just be a charger for a day. And the other one is for my wife. She loves BTS. It's like Christmas Eve. Ooh! I didn't know I won. Whoa! Disney Jungle Cruise. I'll give this to my inaanak. I'm the main ninong, so you will get this, guys. I'll give some to Ace, Aisel, Aisha, to Ria's children. Whoa! Look at that! It's a nice pen for Jungle Cruise. It's a movie by The Rock, Dwayne Johnson. Everyone knows Dwayne Johnson, right? If you smell what The Rock is cooking. Oh, Blake is like a shock. Why is my dad screaming? Still Disney Jungle Cruise. Whoa. It's for my wife. I think it's a beach blanket, beach cover, a hat, a bottle. How cool is this? Couple of shirts, small in size, so I'll give it to the Philippines. And a beach bag, beach tote. You want this bag? Beach tote. Thank you, Jungle Cruise. I haven't watched it yet. Jungle Cruise. Alright, some more stuff, guys. So I will try to post this in a couple of episodes. It's been 3 months since I posted, so a lot of things. Alright, so this is from the North Face. This is from...
That's nice.
Yeah, it's kind of big.
No, it fits you.
It's really cool. A long sleeve from North Face. I want this with the chime boost. So basically, I had like 99% off, so I paid like cents for that shirt. Thank you, Chime, for the boost. They're very active with the giveaways. They have like free Bitcoin, Cash App, Oh wait, I think it's from Cash App. Sorry, it's from Cash App Boost. It's not from Shine. Sorry about that. So thank you, Cash App Boost. Thank you for all the bitcoins and the $20 from Gwyneth Paltrow. This is one from Full Moon. Oh, see how it was like for a Halloween giveaway. Been a while. Happy Halloween. We hope your Papa Lantern stencil and Full Moon treats have you and Pop howling in the light. This is for Blake again? Oh, very lucky, Blake. So a stencil. Oh, that looks like Blake. Ooh, Blake, this is for you. Blake. Chicken jerky from Full Moon. And some organic jerky. Look at that, Blake. How fancy. It's an organic jerky. And the presentation is really nice. I can recycle this. Thank you, Full Moon. Next one will be from Pepsi. Cracker Jack. Thank you, Pepsi and Cracker Jack. I want this from Twitter. I have to make a video. Alright. Pepsi. It's Pepsi Cracker Jack flavor. Thank you again, Pepsi. I hope I win Super Bowl tickets from you. Alright. We have some more FabFitFun. This is part of the win, my early wins this year from Bright Sellers. Thank you again, Bright Sellers. My wife loved this. I don't know where to open this. Whoa, a lot of stuff. A magazine. Exfoliating body polish from Espa. Brio Geo Farewell Freeze for your hair. Money Moments with a nail file for your pedicure and manicure. Electric wine opener. I want one of these. Finally, I won one of electric wine opener. Thank you. Hello Fresh, HBO. I'm excited for the Harry Potter special at HBO. Chocolate bomb mold. I guess we're gonna make some chocolate bombs. Kaboom! Elixir bottle. Mason jar. Cocktail shaker kit. This will look great at the bar. thank you, FabFitFun. There's some couple of stickers. Thank you very much. Alright, next one will be a big box from Callaway. I always wish some golf stuff. Maybe it's time for me to start doing some golf. There was somebody posted an insult that some men dress better golfing compared to where they are on their dates. I know Dr. Dev already plays golf. Alright, it's another golf bag. The last time I won a golf bag, I sold it. Woo! From Tito's handmade vodka. I didn't know I won. I play this every day. It's one of the best giveaway stuff. One that is a surprise. It's from Tito's vodka. Thank you, Tito's. My favorite golfer is Tiger Woods. Since I'm out for 3 months, I already received 2 subscription boxes of FabFitFun. This is for my wife, like I said. Thank you again, FabFitFun, Bright Sellers. More power to your companies. I didn't know that FabFitFun give away some stuff that I can use. I thought it's all makeup and things. Alright. Another magazine. Couple more free stuff. We have a comb from Zoe Isla. Maybe this for Isla. I will give it to my sister. A comb from Zoe Isla. A moringa balm, Shea moringa balm. Renewing body cleanser. Oh, I'm gonna be like murdering this. Nettoyant, Corporal, Renouvelant, Sessoir. I'm not sure what this is. Excuse my French. Marina. Oh my god, what is that? It's hard to pronounce. The FabFitFun? So this is free or what? Marina. Coach? Is this the one you ordered? Coach? Coach earrings, necklace. I'll give this to Ayla.
What did you do?
Collapsible cup with reusable straw.
Oh yeah, I ordered that one.
So it means that they customized what's in the box. Thank you very much. 2 bandits. I don't know what that is. And another box. Dutch oven. You know anything about this? She ordered it. It's part of the giveaway.
Yeah, but you can choose what you want to receive.
Alright, so apparently my wife knows what's in the boxes. when you receive FedEx paper like this, your heart skips a bit because it can be from simple ticket to maybe $20,000, but I haven't got any cash yet. So thank you, Earthbound Farm. Dear Alessandro, congratulations on being the winner Organic October giveaway. We got 10 free EBF coupons. Thank you, Taylor Farms. So I got coupons for Earthbound. It expires next year. I'll give some to my good friend Odie. She can get some salad, spring mix, super spinach. Thank you, Earthbound. So this one says fragile. It's a glass from Intelligent Office. I have no clue what this is. Let's see. Drum Hunters. Ooh, some gin. Ooh, look at that, looks nice, so cute. A stress ball. I need this. So stress. It's some glassware. From Mahon Gin. Look at that, very nice. I got 2 glasswares. That's it. Thank you, Mahon Gin. This one's from Fanatics too. I use my winnings from Zelle to buy a couple of stuff. I'll give this to the Philippines. Some old cups from the Golden State Warriors 2017 championship. It's like $1 each from Fanatics. Oh, sorry. This one is from Job Wellness. This is a great win. So the contest ran on Instagram, and they made a lengthy post, but at the end of the post it says you can join by email too. And I joined by email and I won. Thank you, Joe. Joe Wellness. Check them out in Instagram. Alright. Guys, if you like my video, please hit like and subscribe. Follow my wife too at Sharahana. This looks nice. From Joe Whoa! Look at that. Greatest holiday ever. Guys, I hope you can see how this is a great, nice blanket. So soft. Another blanket. Oh no, it's pants. Thank you, Joe. A cap for Christmas and a shirt. There's also a mug and a hot chocolate bomb. My wife will love this. Thank you very much for this package, Joe. We're almost done. Couple more boxes left, guys. Please bear with me. So there's only a few left. This one is a solo stove. My wife loved this. And a Playmate Elite from Tolago. So the solo stove is a really nice win. We can use it for our backyard. So I want something from Tolago. It's a cooler. We can use this when we go to Seafood City and buy some bangus. Guys, thank you very much for watching. That's all of the wins that I got. I hope you enjoyed. There'll be some more videos coming. I hope we can win some stuff from Super Bowl in LA. And I'll post our video from the Chargers win when we went to SoFi Stadium. Thank you very much, guys. Happy New Year. Thank you, babe.